What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. Alright, so today I have a makeup related video. It's not a tutorial or anything like that. As you guys know, all of those are over at my Instagram, and if you want to see them, just follow me on Instagram. I'm at Kay Republic over there. But today I'm going to be discussing the top nude lippies that I have found are amazing for us brown girls. So if you're interested, then do keep on watching. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of the family. And if you guys enjoy this video, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know by liking the video. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I kind of want to talk about matte lipsticks first, then I'll go into glosses, and then I'll show you one of the satin lipsticks that I absolutely love for black girls. But we're going to talk about liner first. I'm not going to lie to you guys, we don't have a lot of options when it comes to liner. Anything dark brown goes. Anything that is dark brown is perfect for you guys, honestly. When it comes to like lighter browns and stuff like that, they all don't show up, so it doesn't matter. Just get a dark brown. Doesn't matter where it's from, MAC, Essence, even if it's from like a rinky-dink ass beauty store, it doesn't matter. As long as it's nice, it's creamy, and it's dark brown, it's going to go with all of these lipsticks that I'm talking about today. Okay, so a couple of days ago I picked up these two from Maybelline. They are just so stunning, and one of them, another influencer from Botswana that I follow, she spoke about it, and I was like, oh, I really need this. I got Chai Genius, which is 255, and I also got Caramel Collector, which is what I was influenced to buy, and it's 265. I'll swatch them, and I'll also have all the links down below for all of these. But these are stunning. These were the colors that I thought, okay, these I could wear. I'm not somebody who likes dark, deep berry shades like purple, no. Either it's red or it's nude or it's clear for me personally. So yeah, these are the two that I got. So this one is Chai Genius, and it's like a matte ink. It's the Super Stay Maybelline ones, and this is such a pretty, it smells good too. It's also such a pretty nude. So this with like a nice liner. I'm somebody who really likes that like nude vibe that's like light nude, not like a concealer nude, but I like a nude that's like almost my skin tone with like a brown liner and then gloss. Stunning. So this one is pretty good. I really do like it. As you can see, it's almost my skin tone, which is something I really like. With the brown liner, guys, this goes up, okay? It goes all the way up, and I think it's so stunning just as a nude, and the fact that it complements my skin is my favorite thing about it. So yeah, that's the Chai Genius. And then the second one is Caramel Collector. Now this one's a bit deeper than Chai Genius, but it has ooh, it smells like coffee. Okay, so this one, it's a bit more red, like a deeper red type of nude, but it's still so pretty, you guys. In autumn, this is gonna go up. In autumn, this one is gonna go all the way up. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at how stunning that is. Even like left matte, like you don't have to add a gloss to it. It's just so pretty. So yeah, I really love these two, and I can already see that I'm going to be wearing these a lot in winter. So this one is definitely not new if you are on my platforms, especially if you follow me on Instagram. You would have heard me talk about Duck Face. It's from Essence. They came out with like a nice line of liquid lipsticks last year, and it's called the Stay 8 Hour Matte, and this one is in the shade Duck Face. This one I really like because it's got just like a little bit of pink, so it's not very nude. Like if you're scared of doing something very your shade, then this I feel like is a very nice pinky nude. And this is also nice and light, like with, you know, some lip liner and some gloss. I think it would look really cute on most complexions. I personally absolutely love it, and you'll see in the swatches or when they're on my face, that it's cute, man. I just like it, okay? So this is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks I think I've ever owned, and it's so weird because I just found it randomly go Mr. Price. It's one of the pucker up lip glosses from Mr. Price, from Scarlet Hill, their makeup line, and I love the shade of Nude. Like, it doesn't even have a proper name. It's just called the pucker up lipstick in Nude, the matte liquid lipstick. But the color, guys, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is honestly my favorite liquid lipstick ever. Like, I love it. It's so perfect. With some lip liner, girl, it goes up. It goes up. Like, I wear it all the time. All the time. I can layer it. I can do whatever I want with this, okay? Whatever I desire, it's gonna be done with this. It is stunning. Just look at it even in the bottle. Like, I love myself some nudes. I love some nudes. I love nudes, guys. I think you can see my excitement. I just love nudes. Like, nude anything. Bring it here. And then this is a fan favorite, the NYX, the soft matte lip cream in Cape Town. Black girls love this, and unfortunately NYX is not in South Africa anymore, so I don't know how I'm gonna get you guys the link. I also don't know how I'm gonna re-up on this, but this is basically how it looks. It is a very like pale nude. It's very pale. I like to layer Cape Town because this gives me concealer vibes. Like, I don't know if you guys like know about the concealer trend, but there was a point in makeup where people would put concealer on their lips and it used to look crazy, and black girls didn't dare do that. It was definitely a white girl thing, but yeah, it's a concealer vibe. It can look good on black people if you do it right, and I think the Cape Town by NYX is doing it right. And then we're going to move on to lip glosses. I'm going to recommend a clear lip gloss to you guys. Obviously, the Essence lip gloss is great. I don't have it. You guys finished it. Congratulations. You know, if you are one of those people that went to Clicks and got 10 of them, congrats. Because now I haven't had one in months. But anyway, I have the lip gloss from Mr. Price. Now, this is not a good lip gloss on its own. Not good just like to wear and go out. No, this is a good lip gloss to top. As you can see, it is brown now because I top a lot of my lip combos with this, and yeah, it's good. Like, the shine is nice on top of another lipstick because it just tops very nicely. This is the clear lip gloss that I recommend as a top, but also if you do have the Essence, the behind the scenes, congratulations, you can use that, sis. Okay, cool. And then this is something that I discovered like last year for a bit. Yeah, like at the end of last year, the Revlon The Gloss. I have it in the shade Rosy Future. This is a thick lip gloss, but it doesn't have a lot of shine. But the color is stunning, especially on top of a pale liquid lipstick. I just think it goes all the way up, and I just think it's so stunning. Let's see if you guys can see the color. It is like a rosy, faint, nudie pink. I don't know if you guys are gonna, yeah, there we go. Like, it's this color, so on top of something very pale, it's so stunning. Like, it's such a pretty, thick, juicy lip gloss, and it's from Revlon. So yeah, I really like this. It's in the shade 260. And then Catrice has these volumizing lip booster lip glosses. They're lip glosses, but they are pigmented. And the shade that I like is called Everybody's Nude, or Everyone's Nude. And this is kind of how the packaging looks. I also like all the lip glosses. I like to just top on top of like my mattes. But this is how she looks. I like to use her when I'm going more pinky. Sometimes I'm not looking for a pale nude. Sometimes I'm really looking for something that's pinky nude, you know, something that's not crazy. So yeah, it's very nice. It does volumize, so it's got like a tingle to it. And yeah, it's just a cute little topper type gloss. The last one is also from Revlon, and it's the High Shine Ultra HD vinyl lip gloss, and I was influenced to get this by Kintara, and it's a very pinky but nude type of nude. I do think that it's more pink than anything, but obviously it shows up nude on me because I top it up with like other nude glosses. But if you are also not in the mood for a pale nude and you want something a bit rosy, a bit pink, but you do want to just keep it neutral still, I think Act Natural is very nice. Like, I love this thing with like a very deep liner. Like, if your lip liner is like very, very chocolatey brown, this is gonna look amazing on top of it. And I don't know what it is about like our generation of like makeup, but we really aren't like the lipstick type. I got this because I had to do a campaign, but I was like, oh my god, I love this. The only thing about this is it does crack. Now what I mean by that is you put it on and then you put a lip gloss and then you like keep talking and stuff like that. It kind of does define like your lines. Your lines do kind of separate it. So I find myself having to throughout the day when I'm wearing this, but the color, oh my god, I've been looking for a nude like this for such a long time. This looks amazing with a liner and a lip gloss. I like to put a liner on, put this on, and then also top it off with the gloss by Revlon. This is a pale nude, a pale nude, but it is so stunning. It's so stunning. Okay, so this is how she looks. I know, right? Like, how pale is she? She's even a little bit more purple, but just the mixture, the combination makes it so pretty. And it also smells like a lipstick. Like, it smells like a lipstick. But this is the Catrice Full Satin Nude in 030. And yeah, it is so stunning, you guys. I absolutely love this. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this impromptu video. It's something that I just knew I wanted to do, but I didn't know like if you guys would be into it. But you know what, I love nudes so much that here we go. Here's the video, you guys. Especially because this week I went to buy a couple of these, so I was like, been waiting to do this video, so let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it for you guys. I love to share my little obsessions with y'all, and nude lipstick is definitely one of those obsessions. So let me know which of these you've tried, and are you also a nude fiend like me? Do you also just love nudes like me? If you do, then let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, guys, I am done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.